Today we will be testing a moving average strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a moving average strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 569 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator as well as the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator on a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a moving average strategy. And so the source video says, this free indicator helps me find the best entries. And so obviously we don't know what they consider to be the best entries. All we can do is just put the strategy to the test, see what we can get out of it, and see if we are able to ultimately achieve some profitability with it. So what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the double EMA with pullback. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And go ahead and jump into the settings. Just double check that your settings are set up just like this here. 50 period on the number 1 and 200 on the number 2. You can make the colors whatever you wish in here. Everything else should be on the default. And the second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we're going to jump into the settings of this one as well. And under the link right here, you're going to change that to 200. Jump into the styles, and what we're going to do is we're going to change the color 0 to a more vibrant green. The color 1, we're going to change or turn down the opacity. The color 2, a more vibrant red. Color 3, turn down the opacity. You can check the plot line, but actually I found it didn't really make a difference. Then make sure the color background color is unchecked. Lastly, go back up to this top plot right here and make sure this is set to columns. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade setup is we are looking for when we get a sell tag like this here from the EMA pullback indicator. We're then going to look down to the trend oscillator, and we want it to have a red bar like this here. And that would be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right here. Put our stop just right above the price action here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this nice steady push to the downside getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for the buy tag like this here. We're then going to look down to the trend oscillator, and we want it to have a green bar like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right below this price action area right here and target same 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this one's not quite as clean. We just kind of bounce around here for a moment before we make this spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test. And out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades, putting it at a 40% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at a break even, $0, not including any spreads or commissions, and so most likely down a reasonable little amount. And so, not a horrible strategy, but also seemed to kind of struggle a little bit with keeping its head above water. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 60 trades altogether. We had right at a 74% win rate. And so that would have put our total gain right at $20,000 altogether. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.